Chalo. Who will tell me what do you mean by perimeter? Can anyone tell me? Dumbo class, can anyone tell me from this class? क्या होशियार class?
The measure of outer part. Measure of outer part.
Perimeter means whatever shape must be given. Whatever shape. The outer portion measurement will be known as perimeter of the given shape. Understood? Peri
Yes.
means a word divided into two parts, peri and meter. Peri stands for around. Meter is one kind of measurement. Perimeter stands for around measurement. Peri and meter in two parts if it is divided. Am I correct or wrong?
Correct, sir.
And if these are the two words which has been taken into granted, so this has to be around measurement. This is known as around measurement. Perimeter means koi pan shape hoy, not only one shape of square or rectangle. It may be triangle, it may be parallelogram, it may be rhombus, whatever it may be, X, Y, Z. The around measurement, if it is circle, no around measurement નું નામ શું કહેવાય? Perimeter ન કહેવાય. That is some other name that I'll come to the topic at that time. I'll explain you. અત્યારે કરીશ તો ખોટું તમને confusion વધારે થશે. So perimeter means perimeter word is divided into two parts, peri and meter. Peri means around and meter is one kind of measurement. We can say around measurement. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Anybody has any doubt with this?
No, sir.
Okay, great. Chalo. In the same thing, what do you mean by perimeter? This, if this is length, in square all four sides will be length, right? And in
Yes.
rectangle, two opposite sides will be
Two
equal.
length and breadth.
Yeah, two length and two breadth. This is breadth, this is length, this is breadth, and this is length. Are you getting? So
Yes, sir.
while finding the perimeter, we have to add all these four sides. Are you getting or not? If it is
Yes, sir,
rectangle, add four sides. Whatever shape it may be, pentagon, hexagon, we have to add all the sides to get the perimeter. Are you getting? समझ पड़े
Yes.
छे? What do you mean by
Yes.
area? Perimeter was around measurement. Chalo. What do you mean by area? Area means inner measurement. अंदरનું calculation. समझ पड़े छे के नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If, for example, this is a diagram and we know this is one sort of rectangle, length, breadth, so breadth will be here and length will be here. So we know that we have to find the area. We have to find the perimeters, so that we will be adding this L plus B plus L plus B. Am I right or wrong? Or we
Right.
can write 2 into L plus B. Are you getting? Both are correct.
Yes.
This formula also is correct and this is also correct. for rectangle. But this was for perimeter. What do you mean by area? Area is L into B. કોઈ પણ એક L લીધો, કોઈ પણ એક B લીધો. By multiplying that, we can easily get the area of a rectangle. સમજ પડે છે કે નહીં?
Yes, sir. સમજાયું.
Okay. So we will start with the first figure. First figure will be square. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Everyone know what do you mean by square? Square means all four sides equal like this.
Yes.
Anybody has any doubt?
No.
First topic of our is square. આપણે કાઈ બીજું કાઈ કરવાનું નથી થતું, ખાલી એક એનું પેરીમીટર શું આવે ને એનું એરિયા કેવી રીતે ફાઇન્ડ થાય, that is what we have to learn for every shapes. So if for example length is 4 centimeters, so everywhere length will be same.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
What is the formula to find perimeter of a square?
Four equal sides.
Sorry?
4 equal measurement.
So what do you mean by perimeter of square? Perimeter of square. What is the formula to find perimeter of square?
L plus B plus L plus B.
આમાં b ક્યાં છે? તે છે b કોઈ જગ્યાએ? સ્ક્વેર માં b આવે?
નહીં.
તો કેમ એમ બોલેસ? b plus l plus b plus l plus b બોલેસ?
Sorry.
ચલો જલ્દી, perimeter of square.
L plus L plus L plus 4 times L.
Exactly. We will be having, we can say side let me clear you. Plus side plus side plus side. 4 sides, so 4 times side. We can write 4 times side also, or we can write 4. This side is known as length also. So આમાં કોઈ નવી વસ્તુ નથી. So can I say side how many times? 4 into side, or we can write 4 into length.
Yes, we can.
Are you getting?
Yes.
In other content, we can write 4s. This is also known as, every time into વચ્ચે લખવાની જરૂર નથી, 4l પણ લખી શકાય. This is the formula to find the perimeter of square. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
સમજાય છે કે નથી સમજાતું?
સમજાય છે, sir.
Girls, everyone.
Yes, sir.
સમજાય છે આ શું કર્યું છે
Yes,
સર?
sir. સમજાય છે.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So exactly the word perimeter of a square is, we have to follow this thing. 4s, or we can say that 4l. Both are correct. That is perimeter of a square. So if we want to place here the value, we have 4 centimeter for one side, 4s. In the place of s, we will take 4 centimeter. Yes,
Yes.
4s are
Yes.
16 centimeter as it is. So perimeter of the given diagram for 4 centimeter of a side, we got 16 centimeter as a perimeter of a square. That means the around measurement. The around measurement you got 16 centimeter. Is that clear? Now if you calculate 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 16. So you are getting the same as 16 centimeter. Any doubt with this perimeter?
No, sir. No doubt.
Okay. Now perimeter is over for the square. Now area of a square. Who will tell me what do you mean by area of a square? I mean, what is the formula for this?
L into L.
Very good. Side into side, or we can say length into length. Both are correct. Sir, આમાં side લખ્યું, આમાં length લખ્યું, એવું બધું ના આવે. Length and side both is correct. Both are correct.
Okay, sir.
Understood? Now 4 as a side, we got 4 centimeter multiply by any of other side 4 centimeter. Now 4 fours are
8. 4 4s are 16.
16. So you are going to get 16. But this is not perimeter, this is area. So centimeter and centimeter will also be multiplied. Centimeter will be always in square centimeter, square meter. કોઈ પણ જાતની મિસ્ટેક થાય નહીં. Both are correct. બંને ફોર્મમાંથી કોઈ પણ ફોર્મમાં લખી શકો તમે. 16 square centimeter. This is also read as 16 square centimeter, and આ પણ 16 square centimeter જ કહેવાય. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
While finding area, square on the top of the unit, whether it may be meter, whether it may be centimeter, whatever it may be. Understood?
Yes, understood.
On the top of the unit, it has to be square while multiplying the units. Anybody has any doubt with this first topic?
No, sir. No
Okay,
doubt.
second topic is rectangle. Rectangle નું ફાવે ને યાર? ન ફાવે.
Pavan, sir.
Yeah. Okay, chalo. What do you mean by rectangle?
2 sides equal. Length and breadth.
Rectangle is like this. Length,
Yes.
breadth, sorry. This is also length and this is also breadth.
Yes.
Okay. If for example length is 4 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter, what will be the perimeter of rectangle? First of all, perimeter we will talk about. What is the formula to find perimeter of rectangle?
L plus B plus L plus B.
Okay. Length plus breadth plus length plus breadth, we can say.
Yes.
Or in other words, we can write here 2 as common, 2 times both. In bracket L
Into B.
plus breadth. Are you getting? Both are correct. In bracket L plus B. Am I right or wrong?
Right, sir.
કોઈ પણ ફોર્મ્યુલા તમે યુઝ કરી શકો. બોથ આર કરેક્ટ. આના બેઝ ઉપરથી જ આ ફોર્મ્યુલા બનેલી છે. And to use this one is more easy as compared to this one. આ બધું એડ કરવા માટે થાય. This is more easy to complete the sum. Are you getting? So let us go through with this. 2 as it is, length is what? 4 centimeter plus breadth is 2
2
centimeter.
centimeters.
While adding centimeter in plus centimeter, 1000 વારે તે એડ કરો ને તો યુનિટ તો સેમ જ આવશે. 4 plus 2 is 6 centimeter. Understood? Now 2 6 are 12 centimeter. So in perimeter, unit will be as it is, because we are just simply adding all the sides. Are you getting or not? So what is the perimeter of rectangle? You got 12 centimeter. Anybody has any doubt with this?
No, sir.
Sure?
Sure, sir.
Okay. So what is the area of rectangle now?
L into B formula.
Area of rectangle will be, yes, exactly. L into B. What do you mean by L into B?
4 multiplied by 2.
L into B means length into breadth. ये तो खबर છે ને બધાને?
हाँ, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So length is what? 4 centimeter. Multiply by breadth is 2 centimeter. So 4 twos are 8 centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. Or you can write 8 square centimeter. Both are correct. Anybody has any doubt with this?
No, sir.
So no doubt in square and no doubt in rectangle, correct?
Yes.
પાક્કું ને બચ્ચા પાટી?
Yes, sir. Pakku.
Okay, chalo. Now our new topic will be of what? Can anyone tell me what diagram is this?
Slanting line.
Rhombus.
હજી આપણે થોડી ટ્રેક કરીએ લાઈન. Okay. This is known as
Rhombus.
rhombus is always in diamond shape like this. Rhombus આને કહેવાય. It is a part of square. Square ને આમ slant કરો તો rhombus આવે. Rectangle ને slant કરો તો parallelogram આવે. Are you getting? In
Yes, sir.
parallelogram, two opposite parallel lines are equal. Opposite parallel lines mean this line and this line, this line and this line. समझ पड़े છે કે નહીં?
Yes, sir.
All of you girls,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
પાક્કું ને?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Pakku.
So we are in parallelogram. Chalo. Now who will tell me how to calculate parallelogram? Perimeter we know by adding all the sides we can easily get the perimeter. Forget about perimeter for all the diagrams now. ये तो તમને ખબર જ છે હવે perimeter એટલે શું. ખાલી એક એરિયામાં સ્ટડી કરવાનું છે. એ એરિયા ટોપિકમાં આવીશ ત્યારે હું ભણાવીશ તમને. ચલો. Now tell me what do you mean by area of parallelogram? How to find area of parallelogram? What do you mean by that? It will be very interesting. Base into height. We can write here B into H. What do you mean by base? Can we say this is base of parallelogram? समझाई છે કે नहीं?
Yes, sir. Sometimes.
Okay. Height, we cannot say this is height. No, this one is not height. This is slant line going for the diagram. Height is what? The distance from this line to this line is known as height. આ બે લાઈન છે ને, આ બે લાઈન એને હાઈટ કહેવાય. Are you getting my point? The distance
Yes.
between that two lines is known as height. This is the slant line. This is not known as height. Again, I am repeating. So for finding height, you have to place here in this corner, and there will be a straight line to be measured, which will be a perpendicular. Perpendicular line means a line forming 90 degree.
90 degree.
That is known as perpendicular line. So this is the height of the parallelogram. समझ पड़ी क्या नहीं? तो आनु measure
sir.
આપેલું હશે. The height measurement will be given here. Is that clear? Base and height will be given, or there will be area of parallelogram will be given and base will be given. We have to find the height. Height will be given, parallelogram will be given, area, we have to find the base. Or this two part will be given, we have to find the area of parallelogram. समझ पड़े छे क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir. समझ पड़े.
Are you getting the content? Have you understood the diagram? Parallelogram?
Yes, sir.
So what is the area of parallelogram to be found? What is the formula? Base into
Height.
Height.
height. Understood? I hope everyone will remember this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo. Now in the same content, I will talk about triangle. No, perimeter નથી કરાવતો because of only one thing, that you all know that by adding all the sides, a perimeter of this diagram કીધું હોય તો we have to simply add this kind of all the things. If we add all the sides, we will get the perimeter. Are you getting? Perimeter means
Yes.
around measurement. Only the differentiation is in finding the area of the different figures. समझ पड़े छे? Now,
नहीं सर.
so
નો ખબર પડી સર. હાઈટ કેવી તમે ગોતી?
ગોતી નથી હાઈટ, ગોતી નથી બાપા. સરે કાંઈ ઘરેથી પોટલું વાળીને ગોત્યું નથી. અહીંયા આપેલું જ છે અને સમમાં આપેલું જ હશે હો. Height will be given. The measurement of the height will be given. Height ની આપ્યું હોય તો base અને area of parallelogram આપેલું જ હશે measurement. તો એના ઉપરથી આપણે height find કરી શકીએ. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
સમજ પડે છે
હા
કે
સર.
નથી પડતી? જેમ સ્ક્વેરમાં એરિયા ઓફ સ્ક્વેર આપેલું હોય અને એક સાઈડ આપેલું હોય, ફાઇન્ડ ધ અધર સાઈડ. સો અધર સાઈડ તો ખબર તો પડે ને. એરિયા ઓફ સ્ક્વેર
Yes.
એટલે શું? સાઈડ ઇન્ટુ સાઈડ.
હા.
So triangle. Now area of triangle. I am talking about area of triangle. Perimeter, we know that by adding all the three sides we can get a perimeter. But what do you mean by area of triangle? What is the formula to find that? Can anyone tell me? Now, if I say that triangle will be in two parts, if I say that this is a parallelogram, sorry, parallelogram will be like this. Slant. चलो ना आनंद ले लो. एक ज मिनट हो बेटा. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'll remove this from here. Now look here. Now this is known as parallelogram. Now if I say that I have a diagonal in the parallelogram, can I say that this is one triangle here?
Yes.
This is the another triangle.
Yes.
If I say I want to measure this triangle, area of this triangle, so એનું બીજું જ half અહીંયા ક્યાંક હશે આવી રીતે આમ, like this, which
Yes.
will be creating a parallelogram. સમજ પડે છે કે નહીં?
Yes, sir.
So
પડે છે.
area of triangle means what? Area of triangle means half into base into height. समझाणु के नहीं?
Yes, sir. સમજાય.
Why half into base into height? Sir, આ શું કામ triangle parallelogram સાથે જ લીધું? Because half of parallelogram is always one triangle. આનું અડધું કરો ને એટલે એક ટ્રાયંગલ થતું હશે. જોવો તમે. Now forget about this. આ પાર્ટ આપણે કાઢી નાખીએ. ચલો, forget about this. Can you see what triangles form here?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
સમજાણું કે
sir.
નહીં?
Yes, sir.
This is one triangle form here. So parallelogram, હવે આનું ને આનું બીજું triangle અહીંયા form કરવું હોય, so like this I can form
Yes.
here. This will be the other triangle I am forming here. So always triangle is on the base of parallelogram. Half of one parallelogram always create a triangle, whatever kind of a triangle it may be. એવું જરૂરી નથી કે સર આવું triangle થાય. No, it can be any triangle. It is always half of the parallelogram. Understood? So while finding the area of a triangle like this, if we want to find the area of a triangle, we have to simply use the formula of half of the parallelogram. That means half into base into height. Any doubt with this?
No, sir. No doubt.
Sarah?
No, sir.
Pakku na bachcha log?
પાક્કું, sir.
So you know that perimeter is what? Perimeter of adding all the three sides, we will get the round measurement. It is not a big deal. આપણે કોઈ પણ
Yes.
ડાયાગ્રામ નું પેરીમીટર ફાઇન્ડ કરવું હોય તો કોઈ મોટી ડીલ નથી. We can find the outer portion by adding all the things all at once. But this is only the question is created while finding the area. So area of square, we know that side into side. Area of rectangle, we know that length into breadth. Area of parallelogram, we know that base into height. Area of triangle, that means half into base into height. Any doubt with this?
No, sir. No
Sir,
doubt.
Yes.
Sir.
બોલો.
Equilateral triangle નો પણ આ જ ફોર્મ્યુલા છે.
Every triangle will be based on half into base into height.
Okay, sir.
Equilateral triangle હોય તો equilateral triangle માં it will be like this. So એનું ઊંધું triangle, it will be like this. So check out, your diagram will be one kind of parallelogram only. Check out. પેજ આડું કરીને જોઈ લેજો. It will be your parallelogram only. સમજ પડે
Yes,
છે?
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So these are the four diagrams what we studied. Now we are in the new diagram. The name of the diagram is circle. Circle. Circle નો તો આખો ચેપ્ટર ભણેલા છો 6th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ માં.
Yes,
નો
sir.
આવડે ધૂળ પડી કહેવાય તમારા ઉપર જો અત્યારે નો આવડે ને તો. How do we form circle? First of all, can anyone tell me? How can we form the circle? With the help of what? Bangles at home? Or 1 rupee coin?
Compass and pencil.
Compass. Wow.
Yes.
Pencil. Wow. But what? How to use compass and pencil, and how do we form a circle? એ ખાલી પેન્સિલ નાખીને ગોળ ફરાવી નાખવાનું. That is what a circle.
First, we have to pin a point
Pin
on
a
the
point.
page. On the
Okay.
page.
Okay.
And then take a measure.
Measure of what? What does that measure say to be?
Radius.
Circle is always formed with the help of radius. Radius વગર circle form થાય નહીં. Radius can be anywhere. અહીંયાથી અહીંયા હોય તો અહીંયા હોય, આ હોય, wherever it may be. One radius with the help of radius. That means if, for example, this is of 4 centimeter. With the help of 4 centimeter of a radius, we can draw a circle. So this is what the radius is. Understood? Everybody is aware
Yes,
of
sir.
this. This is what known as radius. And શું કહેવાય?
Radius.
Radius. સમજાણું કે નહીં? And
સમજાણું.
the line
Yes,
crossing
sir.
this another radius will form the diameter. We will not form that like that way. We will form like this way. See, this is also known as a diameter. A line passing through the center point of a circle and end to the other end of the circle. This line is known as diameter. Everyone should know this because આ પહેલી વાર નથી ભણતા આપણે. Anybody has any doubt with this?
No
No,
doubt.
sir. No, sir.
Our time is up. We will continue this in the class live itself from tomorrow. We will continue with from the topic circle, okay?
Yes, sir. Today is the last day we are attending the classes like this.
Yes, beta. I hope so. See
કાલથી
you
તો
soon
શાંતિ
tomorrow
સર
morning.
સવાર.
Chalo, meet you tomorrow in the class. And if I'll be having a lecture in your class, I'll be continuing from circle, from the topic circle. Please do remember that we reach up till circle for this chapter.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Do refer from your textbook or from the PDF what you have at present. Do refer all the content what we studied right now. It is very easy chapter. We have to simply calculate the things, okay? Rest of the things will be only to understand the content so that your base will be clear for the rest of the standards. Chalo, do take care of yourself, take care of your health very well, and see you tomorrow morning, ASAP, by school timings. Have a nice time, girls. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Have a
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Have a nice day.
Bye, sir.
સર કાલથી તો તમે સવારમાં ગુડ મોર્નિંગ ના ગીત ચાલુ ને કા?
જોઈએ છે કેટલાક ગાય છે ઈ. ચલો ખુદા હાફિઝ બેટા. Have a nice time, girls.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir. Finally, the last day we are attending the classes like this.
રૂબી મેમ નથી એટલે જ છે ને તે રેકોર્ડિંગ બંધ કરવાનું કે
કાલે ઇંગ્લિશ નું હોમવર્ક કોએ કર્યું હતું? તે આ CF માં કઈ નોટિસ કર્યું હતું? CF માં સ્પેલિંગ મિસ્ટેક છે.
સંસ્કૃત નું કોઈ કર્યું હતું?
મેં બધા હોમવર્ક કર્યા હતા.
તો જે ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સર્સ પછી જે ક્વેશ્ચન છે એનું નામ શું છે? હા એનું મારે
કોન્ટેક્ટ
શું?
રેફરન્સ ટુ કોન્ટેક્ટ છે.
ઇંગ્લિશ માં નહીં, સંસ્કૃત.
ક્યાં?
ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સર છે પછી જે ક્વેશ્ચન 3 પછી જે ક્વેશ્ચન છે ને પણ એમાં હેડિંગ નથી મારેલું. હા TF નું
ગાઈસ રેકોર્ડિંગ સ્ટાર્ટ.
મેં તો એમાં હેડિંગ TF નું નાખી દીધું.
કયો લેક્ચર છે?
ભગવાન વર્ડ છે.
શું
કયો લેક્ચર છે?
ગિવન વર્ડ જેવું લાગે છે.
કે થેન્ક યુ. કાલે કોણ કોણ સ્કૂલમાં આવશે?